6 Best Video Optimizer Software. Videos have become a highly effective tool for entertainment, marketing, and knowledge sharing. Online video optimizer tools can make your videos compatible with different platforms and optimize for search engines. Let's look some of the best video optimizer software. 1. Movavi. Movavi is your one-stop solution for all video making needs, including editing, conversion, and screen recording. 2. Ashampoo. The process of video editing can be time-consuming and hectic. With Ashampoo, you can quickly edit your videos with excellent results. 3. ShowShow is the video optimization tool that helps you perform hassle-free and automated video SEO for the best results. 4. TubeBuddy. If you want your YouTube channel to grow faster and reach a wide audience, TubeBuddy is the right browser extension. 5. Viduli. Whether you are a video creator or advertiser, Viduli is an online video analyzer that will help you become successful in video marketing across different platforms. 6. HandBrake. Are you looking for an open source option for video optimization which is absolutely free? If yes, you should go for HandBrake. It lets you perform standard or high quality video conversion in simple steps. Conclusion: video optimization has become an integral part of video making. Here, we have compiled a list of top online video optimizer tools and extensions to ensure your videos are compatible with website requirements and easily searchable by the audience. Thanks for watching.